So now we're going to do the wall. So again, I'm in my scenario 2 sheet. I've double clicked on the 3D view and I am in option 2, right, for my design options. So I'm just going to go to the wall. I'm going to go to edit type and I'm going to duplicate it. And I'll just name it wall finish 2 and click OK. And so I'm basically making a new wall type, right? And then if I go to edit, I can come in and adjust this. So I'm going to make this a wood slat wall, right? So I'll come in and click on the material and I'm just going to make a new material. So I'm going to create a new one. I'll right click on this and rename it to, let's just name it wall wood slat, right? And I'll come in and let's go ahead and use render appearance. And then for the foreground, I'm going to use a model of 6-inch parallel. So I want to have 6-inch slats is what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to go to the appearance and I'm going to create this floor. And so I'm going to pick an image. So I'm going to click on that and I've copied a wall image that is wood slats. And so I'm just going to open that. And it's going to have these wood slats. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to change. I know the sample size for the height is going to be 14 feet. And then I'm going to decouple the height and width and I'm going to make this 20 feet. All right. And done. And then I'm going to put a bump map on it too. So I have a little bump that goes along with it. And I just need to make sure that it is also the same size. So the height would be 14 feet and the width would be 20 feet. And click done. And the graphics are good. Everything is good. I'll click OK and click OK. Maybe the wood is not going to get screwed right to the wall, possibly. So let's say there's metal furring behind that. So I'll insert another one and let's make this metal furring. So maybe it's a hat channel or something, right? That is connected. I'll pick that and click OK. And we'll make this 1/2 inch, right? And click OK and click OK. And it's going to overlap the wall because we changed the thickness. That's fine. Just click OK. And if we come in and take a look, there's the wood, right? And you can see it overlapping. So we're going to use the same process to move it out. So I'm just going to use the align command, pick the face of that wall, and then pick the back face of that, and it'll pop that guy out. So now there's that wood wall floating. And then you can come in and adjust it. You know, like this was based on a panelized system. So if you're using a wood system, you could say that the base offset is, let's say 6 inches, right? And so that'll take that down to 6 inches. And then you could say the unconnected height is 7 feet, right? That's a little too tall. So you can come in and start to adjust this however you need it to be. So maybe 6'8" or something like that, right? So and it depends on what this detail is going to look like. So, you know, you can get it close. If you think that you're going to have trim, you know, that this would go all the way to the floor, then you could say the base offset is 1 inch, right? And then the unconnected height would be what, like 7'1", something like that, right? So you can adjust it however you want, okay? So that's the wall. And when I come back, I'll do the ceiling. And then we'll take a look at how you get it to print what you want to print.